Welcome! If you want to enter notification settings in your Nokia 7.2, for the first you have to open the settings. Right now, click on the apps and notifications. Then click on the notifications. And here we can manage the notifications on the lock screen. We can also go for the advanced and we can get more options. But let's go for the apps. So tap on the see all from the 7 days. And here we can change the most recent, most frequent and the turn it off. So let's go for the most frequent, and for example we can turn off notifications from the Gmail and also from the Gboard. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.